Welcome to Punditas AI. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of sharing knowledge paths or trainings from the Shared tab. Sharing valuable information or guidance received from colleagues or higher authorities ensures that everyone in the organization benefits. The View Paths module in Punditas AI is a centralized learning hub that organizes knowledge paths into 4 tabs: personal, company, shared, and partner. Each tab serves a distinct purpose, offering tailored resources to support your professional growth. To begin, go to the View Paths module within Knowledge Analytics and start by navigating to the Shared tab. Choose the knowledge path you wish to share. Click the Sharing option to begin the process. You can share knowledge paths using 2 methods: select users or email. Option A, select users. Click on Select Users. Choose recipients from the drop-down menu. Icons beside each name indicate their roles, such as enterprise users, admin users, or trial and free users. Option B, email. Click on Email. Enter the recipient's email address. Ensure the recipient is registered in Punditas AI and part of your organization. Review your settings and click Submit to confirm sharing. Once shared, the recipients will see the knowledge path in their Shared tab, ready for exploration. By sharing knowledge paths in Punditas AI, you're contributing to a collaborative learning environment that drives growth and innovation. Start sharing today and empower your organization. Free and trial users cannot initiate sharing. They can only receive knowledge paths shared by admin or enterprise users. You can use Punditas AI's View Paths feature directly within PTC Creo Parametric. Sharing knowledge paths strengthens organizations by accelerating learning, onboarding new members with proven paths, and improving collaboration through shared insights. It boosts productivity with curated content, preserves expertise for future use, and supports continuous improvement through feedback and refinement. Sharing knowledge paths in Punditas AI for PTC Creo fosters collaboration, improves knowledge retention, and streamlines training. It promotes continuous learning by providing up-to-date resources and encourages a culture of knowledge sharing across the organization, enhancing overall growth and development. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.